Hi guys. Welcome to my Excel video. Let's learn something new today that can help you sharpen your Excel skills. If you want to learn more, please scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you, and let's get started.
Welcome to our first lesson of section 4. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to delete, insert, and hide rows and columns from your spreadsheet. Let's say I made a mistake and want to delete the first two transactions, row 4 and row 5. First, select the two rows. Then if you press the delete button on your keyboard, as you can see, the contents of the cells have been deleted, but the rows are still there. Let's say we want to actually delete those two rows. So I'm going to click undo to get the rows back. Then I'm going to right click on the rows and choose delete. What happened here is Excel has shifted the entire spreadsheet upwards by 2 rows. Similarly, you can delete columns as well. Right click on the columns you want to delete. Suppose it's column D and choose delete, and the column has been deleted. Excel has now shifted everything on the right toward the left. You can delete multiple columns too. Let's say you want to delete columns D and E. Just right-click and choose delete. For now, let's click undo so we get those columns back. So remember, when you delete rows, Excel always shifts the entire spreadsheet up. When you delete columns, Excel shifts everything on the right to the left. Now let's say we want to insert a new column called average cost, and we don't want to add it at the end of the spreadsheet. We just want it right after the customer's name. How do we do that? Just right click on column D and choose insert. That's it. So remember, Excel always inserts columns to the left. Now we need to give it a title, average cost. And then we do some calculations. So I type equal, get a total cost, which is at the end of the spreadsheet, divided by the order quantity. That's the average cost for the first order. Finally, I double click on the fill handle to fill the entire column downwards. That's it. If you want to add more than one column to Excel, just select as many columns as you need. For example, let's say 2. Then you right click, choose insert, and Excel will insert 2 new columns for you. I don't want it anymore, so I click undo. Now, my manager doesn't want to see all of these records for today. He just needs the customer names and the average cost for the orders. So all the columns from E all the way to X are not necessary. If we delete them, we'll lose all the data. We don't want that. What we need to do here is to hide those columns. So I'm going to right click and choose hide. It looks like the columns have been deleted, but you can see a small column width between column D and column Y. That's where those columns are now hiding. If you want to unhide those columns, just select the area where they appear, right-click and choose unhide. You get all those columns back. Awesome! I'm going to click undo to hide them again, and ready to send this to my manager. If you want to, you can also hide and unhide rows. That's how you can manage columns and rows in Excel. Please download the resource and practice yourself.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and don't forget to scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you again. See you on the next video.